Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. So, in the previous chapter, we talk about family life educations and the livelihood of the Lakshmipur village. So today we will be doing the continuations of the family life educations. Family planning, safe motherhood, neonatal, infant and child health care, etc. fall under the scope of the family life educations. For this, there must be proper management of the income and other resources in the family. Eventually, it helps family member to lead a happy and productive family life. Almost all the individuals become parents in their future, and they have to make uh, decisions regarding the appropriate age for the marriage and parenthood, considering their physical, mental, social, and economic conditions. We can observe different signs and symptoms of the physical, mental, social, and spiritual changes in the different time periods. Different time periods from infancy through old age. Okay, ta khazang nganzu ki deshi kyap shayre rwa family life education lana khandere ta ani dinyam dlanga gi last shola scope of family life education lani la shayra tas didu kaps langa gi discussion di jam sha shayira. So scope la tu kaps la nganzu ki subject chakire ra areas lai dwa nganzu ki khawa la cover chigire la na shingirwa. So nganzuki example social study la tu kaps la social nalo la nganzuki we talk about the societies, we talk about the environment, we talk about the politics, we talk about the science ta nganzu changma chidwa di nang shinki khala thanda di family life educations nanglo laina yang ani scope area mangbo ere nganzuki changai do scope la tu area lana dire yang subjects lana dire ro. Family planning lana ta ngi khazang la sha family nga chu ki chashi tinge ro pu ma ki nguni ta nga chu ki khande khang la ore but spacing to khande sha ko du tang ani pu di ke na khande cha na ta changma nguni chashi ting ore sra and safe motherhood la tu ama ki thoni ro ta ama di la nga ki safety ko ma ta pu ma ki nguni tang ani pu ke chani tang. So dinzu ki safety dinzu concern chake di nang lola scope di nang lola chui dos ra. First the family planning, second the scope che safe motherhood, third one is a neonatal na newborn baby later ra newborn baby. So in the family life education we talk about the family planning, safe motherhood, neonatal, infant na pugurang ra ani child health care ta pu khaji di kala da health care la ji condition ni krangi contribute chi thu tang condition ta dok chi thu tang la tin chu changma ani scope of the family life education la chui dos ra. For this there must be a proper management of the income and other resources in the family, of course, right? So family ngai ki ta family planning chi lani ani khirang ki nang la income din zo mewa che ani resources din zo khang cha mewa na khirang sambal family planning chi re sam gi dwai di no re ra complete no re khashlana family planning. So this din zo ki khirang ki scope khala family planning ta khirang ki pu ke tang pu la ta tang din zo changma chitla khirang la of course income ko mare nganzu la pishangui du khores ra and other resources in the family. The resources la tu ta nang lo ki chala la sopa tang ta nang gi resources la na ta nganzu ki chala din zo la na di ro ta chala tang khu tang din zo do ta din zo me wa ina nganzu ki for example khangba do tang din zo sangma resources chaki do nang la thesa tang family din zo dang khirang la permanent din zo me wa na khirang monthly payment di chima to we na khirang nang ni to yong si ro so dinza chatu ngazula problem kangi chimbu shyong kires ra. Eventually it helps family member to lead a happy and productive life. So kirang la family planning di yakpo yo wa ina doa family planning chang ma yakpo tang ani dinzu yutu, and then of course you will eventually live a very happy and healthy life ra. Almost all the individuals become parents in their future. The shungir changma laura individuals ta shungir lana re ta changma ta mi changma individuals changma parents shakire ra ta thanda machuna ra sooner or later lai do kimena gapo yungire kimena yang chiu yungire ra. So future love parents shakire ra, and they have to make a correct decision regarding the appropriate age for the marriage. The low kazu kapslani chance kava sopa do tang decisions in the summer yapon name gores rather late to chance kava ina the things sound daughter in a chia into tang even Ganzuki society now no name by now late marriage here de ra ta ina dinzula complications pani tyo ta yungi re thingi dura ta pu ki tu kapsla kangi thel sopa tang. That is why so best age la tu kapsla nishu chenga ni chaduk chap case now lo lani age the proper rate thingi dura. So the delay lasta sumjus tingomina ke marira yan delay this ma ketu ta khashi na lo this chimbula pu ki tu kasla contracept conceive chitu kapsla phamadlani chipu memani pu ki life nzola pani risk chakitos ra. For almost all the individuals become parents in their future, and they have to make a correct decisions regarding the appropriate age for marriage. Parents would considering their physical, mental, social, and economic conditions. So of course Suzuki physically ki thone ra ta kiran lo chung chung yi lani like lo chong chutuk like kiran ki pu conceive che kala khakbo ra ta kiran ki physical ki thone pan ta gore kiran ki ra ani kiran mentally yang disturb yo wa na yang husband di kiran la force chini changza kyap ni ani pu so ta den zo chiwa ina yang kiran mentally kiran den zo theo ta den zo disturb da yo na pu den zo machina ya pu re ra. And then because ra ta purang ki let's say pu chi ki re las ra ta kiran ki pu ki ni ani kiran ki mentally jan thua effect cha ki pani possibility yo re ra. So any economic condition na pan ta gore ra kiran ki mu ki ni dang la ta mu ki kiran khala ora daily investment lang daily expenses la takta yo wa ina kiran ki pu di ki wa ina ni kiran expenses di kam ki duira la ne so ki estimate che tang anzu ki tin zo che di ki chimbo re extra. We can observe the different signs and symptoms of the physical, mental, social, spiritual changes in the time period from infancy through the old age. So manzo yimba ina to ta pu chung chung ni chinirwa ta lo kemba chatu samba to we will see a differences in terms of the thinking ra in terms of the physical features ra ki mare kiran ki sopu ki body ki features kiran chung chung into kapsla anyo into kiran chung chung ra. And then kiran lotis chuksum chushi char san kiran sopu diti sar ra ani khale chido ta kengo chatu kapsla kiran ki physical structure didang body building didang den zo changma di lowa thongi res ra. Ani di chukbo mewa nganju ki mentally na yang do ta samlo tangdang yimba ina chunju indo pu din zo shu ha go gi mare nonju chakyo ta din zo ki ha go gi mare ra ta kemba chatu kapsla ki pu chunju ga ji chidang di kirang lu chupsi jonga chuduk sni chatu ta chupin chupge chalisara kirang gi chidang di chikpa chikyang china ani kirang da pu differences kan cha thongki mindos ra thongki mare ra. And social tang spiritual changes the spiritual changes lana kirang ki spirit ki thone la to the church tang chungdu kapsla shu manju ki ju knowledge tin ju phama ki la theory ya mixi ki manju ki khan la ora practice chi mare ra ta kirang ki terms strictly gi ra thuzu chikli tu kapsla ni kirang o tanga di machina diksa mare nga chu di machina diksa mare la ni ra. So Suzuki khang la ora da digi importance tang digi values tang din chu khirang ki ha ko ki ro even when khirang parents ki khirang la khang cha mala ba ina ro khirang parents ki khela khang cha la ma ri sa ra digi ko la indi re la ni chun da lab the re ro ina yang kya chimbu cha tu kaps da khela digi importance indi re la malab na yang khirang ki age limit le tu kaps la an khirang ki oh this na din yong gi re this na indi yong gi re ta nga gi ngarang spiritual path ti choose chikore lan ta din jo feelings jo yang gyura thepki re samgi tu ro changma as a human being into kapsla changes are constant chakire ro chakti re ro so during this time proper guidance and support from the family member is very important to them ta di tu jo kapsla ro the chunchu ni this chimbu chatu sambala dinjo thujo changmala suzuki proper guidance te the mi kemba thoni phama chipo member ra suzuki mi kemba kherang ki ngo shimba ta dinjo ki thoni na re no suzuki gurus dinjo imba ina re ro ta khande ki thoni na khirang la the family the in the dinjo support pe khichimbu res right it's very important and it helps them to keep a positive attitude and maintain a proper behavior tang ajo chungdini chini khang la ora dinsu kirang lap thya wa ina ani kirang gi chidang tang nganji ki behavior la na nganji ki cholam le do bani le do ta dinsu ina la dinsu la yang ani girwa ya ga tipi res ra positive yong gi res family life education encourages the social and economic development of the every family so family life education ding onju ki school life la dwa school life la lana de re ani school academic nanglo la thak khoi reason di khang la na ngjo changma la khang la gore ngoma nang sing gi problem hate shows ra ta ngoma indu ngjo la phama gi phama din chu ngoma kaps la indu and khurang chola knowledge tang din chu me tu kaps la ni pugu mangbo ke ni kangi mangbo thel la sopa ta di tu kaps la history kha she la ni ki pingya thong su tang ni ki ngoma ni ki chu ni ki bai yo ta mangbo tu story din chu khotu nga ju semba ina ma ki ta din chu chaki tu so din chu imba din chu changma kha la ora technology thoni na re ro ani education ki illiteracy thoni na re ro dinjo changma gi chani ani even khan la gore child ki mortality rates rate la na death rates ti mangbo yetu ani inde khotu an na semba goina ma keep kyo dinjo chaki dos ra ani so thanda di family life education di lopta ki nanglo la tang curriculum dinjo tang anjo nanglo la chipo member ani even kashi ki public awareness dinjo chitu mass media dinjo toni Facebook ki thoni na re ani radios ki thoni na re newspaper ki thoni na re rasu ki native language la pheju tang tu dinjo changma ani mize la su ki mize nanglo la yakpo yonga tang socially yakpo yonga tang society chi chong nanglo khorang la develop chaga la sopa tang ani economic ki thoni na yang penju ni tang di ya family di la ya yonga ki chedla khoje ki encourage chi those and which eventually leads to the very peace and stability prosperity in the family life right so dinjo gi la tu kaps na ni nganji ki family life la nganji ki proper planning tang dinjo changma chiwaina nganji ki implement chiwaina and as a result right family nanglo la ni peace tang ra prosperity tang wealth tang ani stability la na so stable yo ra nang mi ti tempo yo chaki des ra unfortunately population is increasing faster than the pace of the development in the society so the khang la na population din chu nganju gi ta wa ina do it's unfortunately increasing nganju gi khomba kyap kyok panda khomba step chik pace la na da nganju gi step la na di ro a single step panda ani population di mangar for the parents, it is quite difficult to fulfill their children's needs like education, health, entertainment, and so on. It becomes more difficult to be a good parent to a large family when the family struggles economically. So, it's very difficult for the parents to fulfill their children's needs. The poor in ki needs in you to rata on ki poor case have somebody and on ki poor in la education provide chigure, health care provide chigure, entertainment tang da mangbo on ki doba din so that in sama fulfill che chidu kapsla. It's a burden for the family, right? Especially for the large family din so la the single family tang small family din so la burden minduk la ma da yong si re yung ki re ra ya burden manga di ani bu manga ta nang mi manga de la kangi din manga re ra. And it becomes very difficult for parents to be a good parents to a large family when the family struggles economically. So family struggle economically la tu ta mu ki thoni penjo ki thoni krang ki struggles chi tu kapsla kangi tu ani pu ki thala ora fulfillment che chudla pe kale reswa. And there is an adverse impacts on the health condition of both the mother and the child's ama chipu mewan pu khaji health ki ra thude lani pe kangi yungi reswa. Therefore family life education is equally important to everyone. Family life education did sangma chudla kichembu reswa. The family life education di yo wa yuna landa the important di yuna and it decreases the mortality rate, right? Mortality lana death rate pu ki thonga di nyung ru chakire rwa. And it increases the number of couple who keep proper birth spacing. The krang la pu din so la digi educate chisa tu kapsla ni proper birth spacing din so ina manga chakire rwa. And eventually there is an increase in the number of the permanent contraceptions used, which helps to keep the fertility rate and support the population management. And eventually latu kapsla as a result, right, there is an increase in the number of the permanent contraception users lana ta anjiki contraceptive users lana ta puma ke chitli anjiki condom pejutang gire. So di any control chire rami mangpo ki pejutang du kapsla ani this helps to control the fertility rates la tu kapsla pu ma ke chitra conceive chitla go to say fertility rates la tu conceive chedla ra pu nganjuki one is na fertility la na conceive che pu ki kachita digi kak tu kapsla ni pu ki gi mare ra. And it as a result it supports the population management. Population dinso manage ya puchaki resra. And the quality of family life improves and positively affect the society and the nations. Quality of life di yargi chaki resra. Ani miamdela chizok le chipu mewani lumba changma yargi chaki resra. Ani tarai and changma yakpu tunang che kirewa yu. Antujinang